welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing unboxing. This unboxing is from DIY Digital Art. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to DIY Digital Art. So let's move this to the side. So first thing is this container here. I saw it and I was like, can I use that for diamond painting? It might not be for diamond painting, but I'll end up using it for something, right? Storage. So this is $2.25. It's supposed to be this butterfly shaped storage. It does have kind of the antennas kind of do end up being handles. Okay, that's where it closes. So it opens here. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 containers here. So you could plunk things in here, like your extra tips, because now I have so many tips. But yeah, I thought this was nice. So I said it was $2.25, and it's about 18 wide by 15 up and down. All right, yeah, move that to the side here. Next thing is some bookmarks. So, ordinary toolkit. It comes with these 2 tassels here. This seems to be the go-to tassel for all these bookmarks, regardless of what the subject matter is. And here it is. It's these mandalas or flowers. It could be flowers. I thought it was mandalas, but now that I'm looking at this, it could be flowers too, because these are leaves here. So symbols look like they're letters and numbers here. It looks like a spattering of regular sized rhinestones and specials. Why can't I open it? So some teardrops, ooh, some purple teardrops. These white ones that have like the little star engraved in it. I don't know if that's the right word. Etched into it. Some more marquees here. Some bigger drills. And then looks like these are the regular sized rhinestones here. And these are $6.75 on the website. And of course, I closed them in a way where I couldn't see the part number. Well, it's not like the part number's on this thing either. It's in the back. So I'll just have to make sure everything is kept together. All right. Oh wait, I did measure one of them. It's about 6 centimeters. By almost 20. All right, next. All right, this next one is a diamond painting. It should be a square. It's a 40 by 40. I don't know if I broke it. The bag. So this one is $11 on the website. It does come with a slightly elevated toolkit. Has a white boat with a large amount of wax with a 4-placer, a squishy, I think this is the 9-placer, and a silver tweezers. And like I said, these are square drills. And it's this image here. Actually, need to move you up a little bit. So it's this kitchen scene here. This kitchen scene here. Here is the original image here. I'm guessing it's a maybe Spanish, because this says excuse me. I think it says arena, and I think that's flower in Spanish. And there is 40 colors. The symbols look mostly symbols, but some letters, but no triangles, which are, well, yeah, I don't see any triangles. Those are my least favorite kind of symbols because I always have to figure out the orientation. So drill field quality, I think looks decent. There. And like I said, these are square drills, and they come in these baggies. And I do recommend when the drills, to check your drills to make sure you actually have at least everything. At least the good thing about this kind of legend here, it does tell you the quantity of what you need for each color. But yeah, I do recommend you checking to make sure you have all the colors, because lots of times I've had success in the past where I would complain and be like, I'm missing this, and I would actually get the missing pieces. Or lots of times I've also gone and gotten the wrong diamond painting. But I've also gotten drills for the wrong diamond painting. Remarkably, like I would get like this thing and I was like, the drills don't match, which has happened to me too. But the part number on the bag here does match the part number that's on this here. So hopefully, I mean, everything matched. I don't do inventory FYI anymore. I have too many diamond paintings. I have too many spares that I don't worry anymore. All right, so that's the last one I'm unboxing for this part of the video. Okay, I'm back, and the bookmarks are done. Here is this one here. And this one. This one, I have to say, I really like how this turned out. The special shapes for the flowers, it's always beautiful. And I do like the greenery on this one. And see, special shapes for the flowers here. Let's see. Each of the bookmarks are about 20 by 6 centimeters, and there were 16 colors. 8 were crystal rhinestones and 8 specials. And I did replace some of the drills. I don't even remember what I mean by that. But it took me 48 minutes to complete. So I did write that there's a bad cut on the bookmark, and this is pretty much the one. What I'm saying is, I don't know if you could see this here. Looks like it's supposed to be, it looks like maybe that's this part here. You see? So it was like a bad cut on this one here. And I did say I replaced some of the drills. I think what I meant by that is, oh yeah, now I remember. See this swirl here? I think before it wasn't the alternating colors. It was, and I think one of these wasn't alternating colors, and then I just did it to match the other one. So it was more like, I think this one had 2 layers of the blue, or 2 layers, and then this one had the alternating colors. So that's what I think I meant by I replaced some of the drills. See, I only did this a couple days ago, and I still don't remember what, and that's why I write what I put in here. But yeah, I think they turned out beautiful. I actually really like how these ones turned out. It did come with these tassels, which I'm gonna try to put it in here. So I have some tweezers here, and then there is a hole. I pretty much used the tweezers to get it in through. See, once I try to do things on camera, everything goes wrong. And I'm keeping the tassel in the plastic until it's being used. But yeah, there you go. I think this is going to be part of my let's try to give away as many of my small projects during Halloween. I am very hopeful that it's going to be successful. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm going to do with all this stuff. All right. So, yeah, there you go. So now I could put this in my to be kitted down pile, which is actually pretty big. So yeah, there is the finish for this video. So thank you very much to DIY Digital Art for sending this item and the other items for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!